I really want... miles away from the microphone. Hi, I really want to encourage you to get a state pension forecast. So much so I thought I would give you a little guide about how you would actually go about it. The new state pension is currently £179.60 a week. That's £9,399 a year. A huge beneficial benefit. One that you're entitled to, and that creates the foundation of many people's retirement income. So the quickest way to do it is online, and I will show you how to do that in a second. You can complete a BR19 form and you can send that off. And I'll put a note in the description below this video so you know how to do that. Or you can phone up the Future Pension Centre and they will post a forecast to you. So how do you do it online? The first thing is you have got to do is go to the gov.uk website. Just Google state pension forecast and I'll put a link in the description below the video. So you get to the gov.uk website and you sign in with your government gateway or with gov.uk verify. If you haven't got either of these accounts, you can create an account now. Just follow the instructions online, and once you've done that, you will need to go through the automatic two-step verification process. For this, you will be sent a text to your mobile phone with an access code, which you can enter into the box on the screen. If this is the first time you are logging in to either of these accounts, you will need to verify your identity. Now, I asked my colleague Francesca to do this so that I could show you the process. First of all, she put in her basic details, her first name, surname, national insurance number, and date of birth. At this point, she had to select which forms of ID she would use to prove her identity. She chose her passport and her payslip. So starting with her payslip, which had to be a recent payslip after the 10th of March 2021, as you can see on the screen, she had to put in the tax deducted. Then she entered her national insurance amount that had been deducted as shown on her payslip. The next step was her passport details, and once those had been put in, she got her state pension forecast. £179.60 a week, and she gets her state pension on the 15th of December 2065. So that's way in the future. But there is a bit more information on this page too. You can see that it tells her the maximum state pension she can get based upon her history and some assumptions. And of course, that will hopefully be inflation linked over the course of her life until she gets her state pension age. You are also told it's not guaranteed and the amount is based on your national insurance record. And it assumes that she will pay in for another 34 years and that she has so far 1 year's credit at the moment. So the key aspect here, of course, is to check that you've got the right amount of credits. I've just put a little circle around the view your national insurance record. You can click that link when you get there and it will give you a record of your contribution history, which is the number of years that you've worked to this point, and accrued national insurance contributions, which of course, if it's incorrect, you can challenge and try to prove that it's incorrect, or that if there are missing years that you can, investigate that. You can then also try and find out if you've got any missing years and whether you want to try and make them up. And that means making a one-off contribution to ensure that you receive the maximum state pension when you become eligible. Check out the other videos about state pensions on my channel to find out how to do just that. So hopefully that's been useful. Please check out your state pension forecast and make sure you're going to be eligible for getting that. It's a really valuable benefit. Thanks for checking out my YouTube channel. I'm Justin King, and my aim is to help people like you live successful lives. And that often involves understanding your money. If you've enjoyed this video, please press the like button to help more people like you find my channel, and check out the show notes for some useful links on the things I've discussed in this video. For now, I'm Justin King, helping you live your best life.